Come test drive the 2021 Malibu. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, navigation system, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.